Hey fam, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious peach lemonade sorbets. Super easy to make, and I know you'll love this recipe. So please, on your way in, if you could give me a like, comment, and also consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is just going to be a 3-ingredient recipe. Super easy, right? So all we're going to do is start by opening our frozen peaches, and it's best to use frozen fruits. That way it will cut down on the freezing. Next we'll be adding some honey. And don't worry, I have all measurements and the full recipe down below. Now once we get all the honey in, we're just going to blend until we get everything nice and smooth. In the meantime, I would like to give a shout out to my channel members. If you guys have not already subscribed to their channel, please check them out. You will love them just as much as I do. Go ahead and check them out and let them know that Net sent you. So consider joining the membership, as you will get video shout outs, monthly giveaways, and as well as have the opportunity to collab with me. So once our fruit is partially chopped, we're going to go ahead and add some lemon juice. And right here I'm just scraping down the sides just to make sure we get everything blended and we don't have no chunks. Now we're going to just continue to blend until it's nice and smooth. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much. If you don't mind, please hit that like. That will help me out a lot. And also subscribe if you haven't already. So now that our sorbet is nicely blended, we're going to go ahead and take our halves of our lemon peel and we're going to fill these up to the top and just smooth it down. Now we're going to place our sorbet into the freezer for about 2 hours, and then you can enjoy. And just like that, we made ourselves some delicious sorbet. Thank you guys so much for watching, sharing, and also leaving me comments down below. I appreciate it. And if you like content like this, please check out these other videos. Until the next video, y'all stay safe out there, and peace.